In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover unsaved or deleted Photoshop files on Windows 11, 10, 9, or even 8 using Adobe Photoshop. Let's dive right in and explore a few methods to help you retrieve your lost files, ensuring that your hard work is never gone for good. First, it's always worth checking your recycle bin. This might seem obvious, but sometimes the most straightforward solutions are the best. On your desktop, open the recycle bin. Search for any deleted Photoshop files. They'll typically be in PSD format. If you find your missing file, simply right-click on it and select Restore. This action will recover the file to its original location on your computer, letting you breathe a sigh of relief. Next, we have Photoshop's Auto Recover feature. This is a lifesaver, but only if it's enabled. To make sure it's set up properly, head into Photoshop and click on Edit, then Preferences, and finally File Handling. Here you'll find the option to enable automatic save recovery information. You can set this feature to save your work at intervals that suit you, such as every 5 or 10 minutes. It's essential for keeping your progress safe from unexpected shutdowns or crashes. Once you've ensured auto recover is in place, locate the folder where these auto-saved files are stored. Typically, you'll find it at C plus users plus your username slash app data plus roaming plus Adobe plus Adobe Photoshop version. Auto recover. Within this folder, search for the file that resembles what you've lost. If you find it, open the file in Photoshop and make sure to save it under a new name to secure your previously unsaved work. Another method is using the Open Recent feature in Photoshop. After launching the application, navigate to File in the menu bar and then select Open Recent. Here, you might find the file you've been looking for. If it's listed, open it up and make sure to save the document immediately to avoid any future heartache. Each of these methods provides a valuable safety net in different scenarios. Using a combination of the recycle bin, Photoshop's auto recover capabilities, and the Open Recent feature can dramatically improve your chances of recovering lost files, turning what could be a disaster into just a minor inconvenience. Remember, safeguarding your work involves a mix of vigilance and utilizing the tools that Adobe Photoshop provides. So, make regular checks and ensure that preventative measures like auto recover are set up, and learn where files are typically stored. And there you have it, some straightforward yet effective techniques for recovering your Photoshop files. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.